What's up, YouTube? Hello guys, and you already know it's your girl Maria back with another video. So let's go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me your favorite color down below, guys. How are you doing today? Okay, listen, it is the middle of December, okay? But at the end of the day, like I always say, if you don't feel like it, don't force yourself to do it. So we not gonna put too much on ourselves to do every day of Vlogmas, because that's a bit excessive. Nobody wants to burn out. But at the end of the day, y'all know that title. Y'all know I gotta come with the heat, and y'all know I ain't coming empty-handed, okay? So, like I already said, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, because I'm here to help you. It's not just about getting a job. It's not just about money. This is about life, okay? Because it's more to life than just trying to work for money, you know? You want to not work for money so that you can just live life, you know? Okay. All right, so let's get to it. You already saw that title. Holidays. It's coming up literally next week. Well, Monday, I believe. Next, not the Monday coming up, but the Monday after that. All right. My birthday next week too, y'all. So if you already know, you know what I'm saying, my cash out down below. But anyways, yeah, when it comes to the holidays, if you're trying to get some extra shabatas, make some extra money for the holidays so that you can get your kids some gifts, get your mama some gifts, get your daddy some gifts, get you some gifts. At the end of the day, this is the place for you to be, because I can help you find ways to make money that don't really require you to be employed, so you can get paid instantly. Nobody wants to worry about holding back a week. We don't have time for that. Okay? Okay. So let's get started. First thing on the list, if you have not already, go to your app store and search for gig apps. You know why I say that? Because that'll pull up every local gig, every app that is for local gigs, so that you can literally get hired for like a day, you know what I'm saying, like daily work, jobs that need somebody, whether it's a warehouse, whether it's a restaurant, whether it's house cleaning, any type of thing like that. You can get hired. If somebody call out, they post on those gig sites, and you can accept that gig, and you can do that, okay? Because that's money, that's tomatoes. Do that, okay? Because that will be the thing that will help you get your money that you need for your holidays, okay? Also, if you have not already, if you've been following me for a long time, you're already aware. You already know what I'm about to say. Shift Smart. You know why? Because Shift Smart still has active jobs available. Not all the jobs I have talked to you guys about is still available on Shift Smart, but the ones that are still available is popping. Okay. Circle K. They also have Mystery Shopper. It ain't too much, but baby, if you wanna do something, the little $13 add up for each survey that you do for these mystery shoppers. So don't even sleep on those, because that's money too, okay? I want you guys to be aware when it comes to working a lot of these things or trying to make some money, you know, you got to make sure that you're doing things that's worth your time. You're not dedicating your time for 5 hours for $100. You know what I'm saying? We're going to try to maximize our time and try to get more for what we're doing. You know what I mean? You don't always have to follow what other people are doing, okay? Another way, one thing that I will touch on, if y'all want me to touch on, I've been getting into this a little bit, you know what I'm saying? The people down south know about it, but online fish tables, y'all. You got a little money, you know what I'm saying, that you can flip, that, you know what I'm saying, if you got a little money that you want to flip, that you want to try to turn into something, go to a trusted, emphasize trusted online fish table, because you could turn your little 25, your 30, your $40 into 200, 400, 500, 600, 1,000. I done seen people hit for 2,000, 5,000. It really just depends on you, how you tap in and what you're doing. You know what I mean? So that's literally another option. So like I said, I've started off with you guys, gig apps, Shift Smart, fish tables, baby. Come on, if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. Go ahead and do that, okay? Because next, we're gonna also talk about if you want to make money and you don't really know exactly what you want to do. There is other websites. Most people haven't used that in a while, but jobs are still posted on Craigslist. You know, my first time finding Shift Smart, I actually found them on Craigslist. They were posting for free on there, and now they started paying for Snapchat, TikTok, stuff like that, ads. But yeah, they started off small on posting on Craigslist for free. A lot of jobs do that, okay? And you want to get in on those jobs because those are the jobs that's not overly saturated. Shift Smart has become overly saturated since I started making videos for them. You're welcome. But anyways, you know, it's all money, you know what I mean? And we just need to find ways to find it before everybody else do. And then when everybody else does, we move on to something else. You know? Because we want to make sure that we keep the money coming in. We don't want to get stagnant. We don't want it to, you know what I'm saying? People start playing with the shabatas, we gotta move on. We gotta move to the next thing, okay? So that's why I also told you guys about live ops, live exchange. Live exchange and live ops is a better alternative to Shift Smart because they have more consistent schedules. You can be hired for a consistent client and stay on that client if you want to. It's way more consistent and way more, you know, there. But like I said, it requires time. You gotta put in like 4 days unpaid training and then you get paid, which is okay. You know what I'm saying? It's worth it. But like, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, holidays coming up next week. So you trying to get some money right now, do the things that I said because you don't want to waste your time. Okay. You want to make some money. Okay. Okay. Awesome. What else? That's pretty much it. Like, I don't have really too much I wanted to talk about. I do know for a fact that anything that you want to do, make sure you're reading. People don't be utilizing y'all resources and y'all be asking questions that don't make sense. Use your resources. If you're not looking up the information, if you didn't go to the job site, look at the job description and see what it says, see what it said about the pay, see what it said about everything, you're not doing your job. You're not doing your part because it's there for you for a reason. Okay? So just make sure that you are doing your part and don't expect things to just fall in your lap, baby. Because even if it falls in your lap, you got to know it's there. Because people don't be paying attention either. Can't be oblivious. So, if you watch this video, at least to this point, you know a couple ways that you're about to go make some money, okay? I want you guys to understand that, like I did say, Shift Smart has become overly saturated. So you may not get shifts like that. Not anymore. You know what I'm saying? It was good like a year or two ago, but it's becoming a little bit, you'll never get them. Or if you get them, they'll suck. You know what I mean? So it's just really dependent on what the app wants to give you and what the company has available, because they don't have a lot available, because there's a lot of people in there now. You're welcome. But anyways, what else? That's basically it, y'all. Like I did say, I'm gonna turn 24 next week, y'all, on Thursday. So if you want to, you know what I'm saying, bless your girl, you know what I'm saying, if you want to show some love, my Cash App is down below. It is Backup Amaria. Send your girl some shabatas. You know what I'm saying? Don't gotta be too much. Give me a little coffee, okay? That's like $2 or $3, you know? At the end of the day, I'm here to help y'all, all right? I'm not monetized yet, but when I am, I want you guys to know that I'm still gonna come with the heat. I'm still gonna be real, and I'm still gonna let y'all know. Like I always say, I'm not forcing myself to do something I don't want to do. So if I said I'm gonna post for y'all and you don't see it happen, you're probably gonna get a notification. So please make sure that you have your notifications on, because if I send a message in the community tab, I want you guys to be able to see that so that you can interact with me and tell me, okay, yeah, no, this is what we want to talk about, this is what we need help with. And I'll kind of get me geared up and ready to make a video. But honestly, I'll let y'all know if like I ain't feeling it, because if I ain't feeling it, I ain't gonna force myself to do it, and I don't never tell y'all to do nothing like that. Because at the end of the day, this is not a word about being uncomfortable. The dream life that you want is accessible in the way that you want. You just gotta stop doing stuff you don't want to freaking do, because then the things that you do want and the things that you're willing to do is gonna come to your light, and it's gonna come into your vision, and then you're gonna be able to do it, and you're gonna be able to see it, and you're gonna be able to execute it. Okay? So stop sleeping on your dreams. Stop sleeping on your life. Stop sleeping on your energy, because baby, we don't want to be exhausted. Okay? All right. Thank you so much for watching. It's Amaria Renee with the tips, tricks, and tea of life. Thank you so much.